Former Interior Minister of Pakistan Rehman Malik was forced to deplane by fellow passengers on a PIA flight from Karachi to Islamabad. Malik has been accused of holding the plane back while other passengers waited for 2 hours. A passenger who protested against Malik uploaded a video of Malik being driven away.
So-called VIP. My foot VIPs here. इनको तो मैं भी ग्रिल करता हूँ. इनको मैं ग्रिल करता हूँ. Don't you worry. I've been here. I'm sure when he comes in.
वैसे हम लोग ऐसे ही अपना
नहीं सर.
इनको पता तो चले ना इन गधों को जी.
No, sir, I'm so sorry.
बात ये है, we've taken it
For too long.
68 years.
We're not taking it
How
anymore.
are you going to take it for
another 68 years.
आगे. हाँ, फ्लाइट डिले की है. किसने की है फ्लाइट डिले? अस्सलाम वालेकुम. सॉरी मलिक साहब सॉरी यार 300-350 मलिक साहब you should go back. You should apologize to these passengers. Yes, you should be ashamed of yourself. रहमान मलिक साहब 250 पैसेंजर ख्वार हुआ आपके वजह से. I'm sorry. They're all coming out because of you. It is your fault, sir. It is your fault, sir. I am sorry. Malik Sahab, you're not a minister anymore. You're not a minister anymore. And even if you're a minister, we don't care. We don't care anymore. We don't care anymore. You people have to become humans. You have to get down to that. आप जमीन पे उतरे.
Go to hell! Shame on you, you stupid dog! You think we're here bastards?
दरवाजा बंद करें, जहाज उड़ाएं इस्लामाबाद के लिए. ओके? This should be recorded. Rehman Malik has been offloaded because of. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Throw him out.
Shafiq joins us with more. Are we going to see more of this in Pakistan, where the leaders will have to listen to the people now? Because this is very clearly the former Interior Minister being asked to get off the plane by angry passengers after being made to wait for hours. Shafiq.
Yes, of course, the political debate has been started. In fact, Shah Mahmood Qureshi, who is the vice chairman of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, he on a TV channel said that this is the beginning of the new Pakistan, in fact, where there will be no VIP culture. And this is a bold step said by Shah Mahmood Qureshi. While the Pakistan International Airlines brushing off the entire episode, what happened last night, in fact, the PIA said that it was a technical fault, not the fault of either Rehman Malik, the former Interior Minister, who is also the leader of Pakistan People's Party, and Ramesh Kumar, the members of the National Assembly from Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz. But what happened in Karachi, a lot of people are happy because they believe that the PIA is actually running or flying their plane with the VIP culture, carrying the VIP culture. There is always delay of the PIA airline because of the VIP culture. They keep waiting instead of taking care of their passengers. So generally the impression is good because not only at the PIA, but I heard that at some other places the people are resisting the VIP culture, and they are now saying that this is the new beginning of Pakistan where the VIP culture will not be allowed.
Very welcome at that because even India is shunning the Lal Batti culture for quite some time. We've been saying say no to the VVIP culture or Lal Batti culture. Shafiq, stay with us on the phone. We're going to play out that sequence once again for our viewers.
So-called VIP.
My foot VIPs here. इनको तो मैं भी ग्रिल करता हूँ. इनको मैं ग्रिल करता हूँ. Don't you worry. I've been here. I'm sure when he comes in.
वैसे हम लोग ऐसे ही अपना
नहीं सर.
इनको पता तो चले ना इन गधों को जी.
No, sir, I'm so sorry.
बात ये है, we've taken it
For too long.
68 years.
We're not taking it
How are
anymore.
you going to take it for
another 68 years.
आगे. हाँ, फ्लाइट डिले की है. किसने की है फ्लाइट डिले? अस्सलाम वालेकुम. सॉरी मलिक साहब Sorry,
You go back.
Yeah, 300-350. Malik Sahab, you should go back. You should apologize to these papers. Yes, you should. You should be ashamed of yourself.
You should go back.
Rahman Malik Sahab, 250 पैसेंजर ख्वार हुआ आपके वजह से. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I'm sorry. They're all coming out. Because of you. It is your fault, sir. It is your fault, sir. I am sorry. Malik Sahab, you're not a minister anymore. You're not a minister anymore. And even if you're a minister, we don't care. We don't care anymore. We don't care anymore. You people have to become humans. You have to get down to आप जमीन पे उतरे. जमीन पे उतरे.
Go to hell. Shame on you, you stupid dog. You think we're here bastards?
दरवाजा बंद करें, जहाज उड़ाएं इस्लामाबाद के लिए. ओके? This should be recorded. Rahman Malik has been offloaded because of. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Throw him.
Security analyst Sultan Ali is joining us on this now. Mr. Sultan, you may have seen the video by now. Clear indication that even in Pakistan, people are not ready anymore to take this VIP culture where they're actually misusing these kind of privileges that are given to them, isn't it?
Absolutely, I couldn't agree with you more, because this VIP culture has eroded our ethics so much so that the VIPs consider themselves as not only a shade but many shades superior to the common people. And if this realization is taking place, and if people are willing to cut them down to size and act according to protocol, be punctual on flights and other meetings and engagements, I think this is a very healthy sign, and people should be prepared. I mean, what I mean, the so-called VIP should be prepared to behave like ordinary people, which actually they are, and their designation may give them some privileges as far as security and other things are concerned, but they should abide by punctuality, by their status, by other things, and they should not hamper the lives of ordinary citizens.
Now, Mr. Sultan Ali, do you also see this welcome, because as a very welcome change and a move, because people are standing up and speaking, the democratic voice of Pakistan is speaking out against these leaders?
You see, I will welcome it when actually this thing is put into practice with sitting ministers, with people who are in the seat. Rahman Malik, you see, is no longer in government. So the security officials and the other people who managed to offload Mr. Rahman Malik for not abiding by the ethics is definitely welcome. But the real test will come when I would like to see a sitting minister, a sitting prime minister, or a sitting VIP who is actually in power being penalized for not adhering to the rules. That will be the day when the ordinary people, including myself, will rejoice that at last we are coming of age and we are becoming mature, and we have to shed the slavish mentality of the past.
I'm sure when he comes in.
Very welcome this over in Pakistan. They're saying no to this VVIP culture. Arif Ali of the PTI with us on the phone. We'll play out more parts for our viewers here. But Mr. Ali, the people of Pakistan have had enough with leaders trying to use resources at their beck and call. They're saying you heard what they said. They said enough is enough. You are also humans and learn to behave and treat others with respect, they say.
Yes, I think this is a very interesting change. I think Mr. Imran Khan's dharna since the last month, Mr. Imran Khan has been asking people to rise up for their rights. These are simple things which we see every day, which happens every day. The VIP movement impedes the usual movement in the traffic. Planes get delayed, etc. So this is the first time we have seen people rising up to the occasion and discouraging something like this to happen. And I'm sure two MNAs was there. Mr. Rahman Malik is a senator, and the other one was an MNA of Pakistan Muslim League Noon, Mr. Ramesh Kumar. Both of them probably got the flight delayed, and when they came in, the passengers reacted. I think this is a welcome change. In the third world, this happens very frequently, and if the people start insisting on their rights, this thing will not continue to happen. This is such an embarrassment, and when it is uploaded from these small phones onto the public medium, everybody will be embarrassed if they want to impose this kind of VIP culture.
So, Mr. Alvi, you agree that politicians who delay flights or misuse the resources should be treated in a similar way, not just ex-ministers, which is the case here, but even existing ministers and those in power?
Everybody, I fully agree. Not existing ministers, there should be no VIP culture. The common man should be equal. Everybody should be treated equally. The distribution of seats on aeroplanes sometimes goes in the VIP way. The traffic is stopped. People break lines. I don't know whether it happens in India or not, but it happens in Pakistan, and we will not allow that to happen anymore. The people are rising up against this culture. There has to be equality among people. There has to be respect for the poor man or for every person who comes across. The way to be
I hope, Mr. Alvi, you're saying this because the two leaders are not from the PTI and from different parties. I hope this applies to everybody within the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf also.
I think it should be applied to everybody. I moved 2 questions in the National Assembly about this VIP culture happening. I challenge that every time when I board a PIA flight or any other flight. I challenge that myself, and there are 2 privilege motions which I moved in the National Assembly, and twice I have raised up this question, and I have been answered that the VIP culture doesn't exist. But this video shows that it does exist. I am speaking across parties. It should not happen. It's not a matter of party.
Mr.